enjoy me to learn how to cook a very simple, wonderful vegetable dish. And if you enjoy this short video, do give me a thumbs up. And please do so for my other many videos. Some on cooking, some on Umbrian rural life, some on Assisi explorations, etc. Today we're going to cook. We're doing a very simple vegetable dish, few ingredients, extra virgin olive oil. This is our son Keegan's olive oil. And you too may wish to order some of his extra virgin olive oil from the hills of Orvieto. So we have olive oil. This is organic parsley from our garden. Here are one of our garlic cloves, or garlics, and we're going to use a few cloves. And we have these carrots. We're going to be slicing the carrots and dicing the garlic. And then we're going to put the ingredients together once we've diced the parsley. Now let me show you. And now we're going to prepare the dish. I've finally diced the garlic cloves. Finally diced the prezzemolo, the parsley. Sliced the carrots. And now I'm going to heat the olive oil. I already have some in the pan. And I just want to show you that the pan is covered in olive oil. Now I'm going to slide in the garlic. However, being very, very careful that the garlic does not burn. If it does, throw it out and start over. That's a sacred rule to Italian cooking. About garlic, it applies to onions as well. Put a couple carrots in just to see how this is coming along. And when things start to brown a bit, the garlic, I'll add the other carrots. Simmer it. Add coarse salt, which we call in Italy sale grosso. This is what we use for cooking. Then simmer it all down, and near the end, add the parsley. Test it for salt, see if I want to add black pepper, and then serve it up. Wonderful, simple, springtime vegetable dish. Nice way to even get children to enjoy carrots. Here we go. It is definitely time to add the other carrots. And I'm also going to be lowering the heat to a nice simmer. But before I do that, salt. How much? Hey, this is the rule. Quanto basta? As much as it takes. You know, there's no regulation for Italian cooking. It's eye and practice. We'll taste it later. That looks to me about right. Now I'm going to turn this down to lower heat to let it simmer. The reason I have some water nearby, hot boiling water, is as it cooks, I might see that it needs a little bit of liquid, and I could add a little bit of hot water. But for now, we're just going to let these carrots simmer away on medium heat, being sure that they don't overcook and that our garlic stays nice and golden. Now we'll let it rest and simmer. Now I've covered these and reduced the heat of the carrots, which are sauteing away in the garlic, and they're getting quite soft. So it's now time to add the parsley. Even the color is lovely. Italian food is appealing to the eye as well as to the palate. It always must be. It seems to be a national rule to me. And now we'll just give them a light stir. I'm going to add just a drop of boiling water. To create a bit of moisture. cover them up once again and just simmer a few minutes. And then they'll be ready. And our fresh spring carrots with parsley and garlic dish is all ready to be served. So we're going to serve it right. And you may wish to add a little black pepper. And I actually don't think I will. But that's up for individual taste. I've also simmered these with a bit of chili pepper in the garlic and olive oil. All ready to entice your guests. Buon appetito!